Today you're going to play a game called Santa's CVC Words. To get started, you will need this paper, a clipboard, and a pencil. Pause the video and get your materials now. Great job! Here's how to play. Look around your classroom or pod, and you will find these Santas all over the place hanging up around the room. When you find a Santa, look at which one you found. This one's number 1. Then you're going to say the word. Look at the picture inside the circle. This is a mop. You're going to say the word and stretch out the sounds. Mop. M, A, P. Mop. Then you're going to write the word below. M, A, P. Mop. Write the beginning, middle, and ending sound. Next, you're going to keep looking around the room until you find all the numbers. Make sure the numbers match the word you're writing. Also, don't forget your name at the top. Have fun, boys and girls!